Hello everyone. Have you ever been stuck trying to download YouTube videos? In this video, I'll show you how to download YouTube videos for seamless watching at your convenience. Stick around. Let's get started. Select the video you want to download. Click on Download. Select Download. Yeah, the video you selected is downloaded. You can watch it even without internet access. Now, we're going to turn off our internet. Let's check it. Click the symbol here to find the download option. Select Download. Now you have the downloaded video here. Click the video and play it. That's it. We've successfully downloaded the video. You can watch it buffer-free. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.